Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we are going to start our exercise of unit number 2. Part A is choose the correct word and write in the space provided. Here are some statements for you. You will choose the correct word from these choices and then write these words in the blanks and also tick on the correct word. Dash is the brain of a computer. What do you think? You have learned in the previous class that CPU is the brain of a computer. You will tick on the CPU and also write CPU in this blank. And CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Keyboard has small buttons called keys, kites, knees. Yes, we have learned in the previous class that keyboard has small buttons called keys. You will also write key in this blank. Dash is used to point things on a computer. Which part of computer helps us to point things? Mat, monitor or mouse? Yes, mouse. Mouse helps us to point things on a computer. 4 is dash is used to see pictures. Alphabet, numbers. Mouse, monitor, monkey. Yes, monitor is used to see pictures, alphabet, numbers. You will also write these answers in these blanks just like this. Here are some fill in the blanks for you. Fill in the blanks. You can see 4 words: monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. You will use these 4 words to complete these statements. Number 1 is a dash looks like a TV screen. What do you think? You have learned in the previous class that a monitor looks like a TV screen. You will write monitor here. Number 2 is dash helps to type letters. Mouse or keyboard? You will choose one. Number 3 is dash is the brain of a computer. A CPU or a keyboard. Number 4 is a dash has a long wire and points thing on a computer. A monitor or a mouse? You will choose the right answer and you will write the right answer in these blanks. Tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Keyboard looks like a TV screen. What do you think? Keyboard looks like a TV screen? No. Monitor looks like a TV screen, so this is cross. Cat is the brain of a computer. As you have learned in the previous class that CPU is the brain of a computer, so this is also cross. Mouse helps to draw. Number 4 is keyboard helps to type numbers. And number 5 is CPU is not an important part of a computer. You will solve these 3 with the help of your previous class and previous book reading. So here are question answers for you. Answer the following questions. Name the 4 parts of a computer. You will write here the parts of computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Question number 2 is which part of a computer looks like TV? You can see that this is the part of computer which looks like TV and this is monitor. So the answer is monitor. Question number 3 is which part of a computer is known as its brain? You can see in this picture this is CPU and CPU is known as the brain of computer. Question number 4 is which part of a computer helps you to type? This is a keyboard and keyboard helps us to type numbers, alphabets and special keys. Yes, keyboard is the right answer. Question number 5 is which part of a computer helps to point things on the monitor? So you can see in the picture this is a mouse and mouse helps to point things on the monitor. So this is the answer. You will learn these answers and you will also write these questions and answers on your notebook. Part E is count the numbers of monitors, CPU, keyboard and mouses. Here are some monitors, keyboards, CPUs and mouses. You will count the number just like that. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 monitors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 CPUs. 1, 2, 3. 3 mouse and 1, 2, 3. 3 keyboards. You will write the correct number here. Look at the pictures carefully. Identify the missing part in each picture. Write the name of the missing part in the space provided. Here are some pictures for you. You will write the missing part here. Just like that. What is missing in this picture? Yes, a CPU is missing. You will write CPU here. The next you will solve by yourself as you have learned about the computer and the parts of computer. You can do this by yourself. So this is about our second unit of computer. You will learn this unit by yourself.